Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we're going to be doing another red ink from Taccia Aka Red. Thanks go out to Gary Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. Today is December 30th, 2021, and today is day 364 of 2021. Today's pen is the Noodler's Conrad with a Yovo 14 karat full flex nib. Today's ink is Taccia Aka Red. The sun came up at 6:55 a.m. and will depart at 4:52 p.m. and it is 59 degrees and rainy with a low of 49 degrees. Today's question of the day is, if you could do it all over again, what would you change? Would you change anything? Today's quote of the day is, the limit of the possibility can only be defined by going beyond them into the impossible. Today's inky prompt of the day is, what is one major improvement you are looking to make in 2022? Today's birthdays go out to Colt and Kelsey. Happy birthday. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. Alright. Here is our comparison panel. Nice red. I don't see really any sheen. Maybe a tiny bit of sheen, but can't really see it in the right. You can kind of see it there. There it is, a little bit of gold sheen. You see it, which is nice. Here's our comparison panel. You can kind of see it in the comparison. Oh, no, really can't. Alright, and then here's our toilet paper chromatography. All I see is like a pinky red, and then right along the edge, there's some yellow that's coming out, which is interesting. Alright. Let's do some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear Memo Book from Walmart.com. It's feathered into the page, and it bled through. I would not use the back side of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. It does look like it's having some sheen. Maybe some light ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Rhodia Dot Pad, 80 GSM. It does look like it's feathering into the page. And it did ghost. I might not use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua, 85 GSM. It did feather into the page. And it did ghost just a little bit. I might use the back of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. It does look like it tried to feather into the page, and it bled through. I would not use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet, 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. Feathered into the page. And it did ghost. I would not use the back side of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. Feathered into the page. And it bled through. I would not use the back side of this paper. Unison Composition Book from Target for 50 cents. Alexa, stop. Nice amount of sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber Notebook Paper. Nice sheen. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. No sheen. It did look like it tried to feather into the page. And it didn't bleed through, so that's good. I would totally use the backside of this paper. College Rolled Oxford College Roll. Oh, I do see a little bit of sheen. Just didn't feather. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead Wide Rolled Notebook Paper. Feathered like a chicken. Bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Alright, let's do a comparison panel. This is Taccia Aka Red. We're going to look at some pinks and some reds. This is Colorverse Felicity Glistening. Gourmet Pens Pink. Monteverde Kindness Pink. Diamond Pink Ice. Diamond All the Best. Noodler's Black Swan and Australian Roses. Califolio Andronopal. Diamond Claret. Van Diemen's Diamonds Are Girls BFF. And Diamond Raspberry Rose. Okay, those are the pinks. Let's look at some reds. See if we can... This is Diamond Deep Dark Red. Robert Oster Astakiza Rot. No. Diamond Passion Burgundy. No. KWZ Red number 1. No. Kaveco Ruby Red. No. Okay, here we go. Hero Red number 201. Colorverse Felicity Glistening. Diamond Vermilion. Waterman Audacious Red. Krishna Primary Red. These are similar. Parker Quink Red. Uli Red. Diamond Flamingo Pink. Monteverde Strawberry Shortcake. Diamond Coral. Sailor Aurori. Firestorm. Diamond Firestorm. Colorverse Alpha Scorpy. Diamond Red Robin. Ferris Wheel Press Algonquin Maple. KWZ Thief's Red. Diatramentus Document Red. Pilot Red. These are similar. Ackerman, Charlac, and Von Janstein. These are similar. Monteverde Valentine Red. Monteverde Love Red. These are super similar. Noodler's Rattlers Red. These are similar. And Stipula Florentine Red. Well, what did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a nice red? Maybe with some gold sheen? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe. Ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all, so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So, take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.